what's happening, YouTube? Chevy Boy 9491, and I am back with another one, dog. So go to the camera. Fuck yeah. Well, today it might stretch a little while because it's my first time doing this. So I just came back from work. Before I left, Miss Karma decided to croak on me. She's sick, so we about to go ahead. Goddamn, we about to go ahead, start on that. I'll tell y'all what's wrong with us. So let me get back to the car, give me a couple minutes, and well, it's gonna be a second for y'all. But y'all just stay tuned, man. We gotta get her back running, man. I can't have this, man. Yeah. So loosen that up, but that ain't supposed to be like that. But I went ahead and started to take the majority of it off, so that way, instead of me trying to record every single thing, a lot of YouTube videos about it. So, y'all don't know, you gotta pull the water pump off, my money balance on, just to problem is, of course, because I'm gonna need it. Problem, distributor went out on me. She went to hell, so gotta change that out to get it back going. But also while I'm in here, changing the coil out, changing the module out, got a new belt, new tensioner, all that stuff. So I'll show y'all something. Shouldn't even be that loose for me to even pull it that far. I may have to get the balance and pull that off. To get the balance and puller to go ahead and pull that off. So yeah, let me get the balance and puller and I'm gonna go ahead and get this. Yep. There it is.
There it is.
Come on out of there. Yeah, it's probably the hardest part, isn't it? Since you won't be in the camera. Not gonna take the hump out of the belt. I'm not gonna take the distributor off because I don't have paint. So make sure. Wait, you're too far.
I'm trying to make sure they can see you.
Yeah, you're too far. Nah, where you going? Well, you gonna be in. But anyway, I'm not gonna take the distributor off yet. Because I'm gonna wait till I get to the other one, and I'm gonna leave the spark plug wires on here. That way, I don't have to worry about marking them. I seen somebody else do it on YouTube. So I'm gonna take this tension off now. Yeah, I'm gonna go and take the tension off. thought it was 12. Okay, it's a 10. You know what? Why am I doing this?
Hope you don't need that one.
No. The one I need is in the house. So I'm not too worried about that one. I just need to make sure I don't use it. Again, it's crazy this car has been going. Okay, so this is the old one. I don't think nothing wrong with it. But I got a little squeak in my belt. Probably because of her mother bought it, so it's the way it's supposed to be. But that feels like it's good. I was a boat in a pile of mess. Where would I be? We'll look for that boat in a minute. Let me start bringing parts out here. Alright, so now we are taking off the corner module. We're gonna swap that. I already got the intentional on, so good with that there. I ain't gonna lie. Out of all these years, I really thought this was hard. Probably because I was scared to just do it. Y'all be gonna see folks do their own work anyway. So let folks see me do my own work anyway. That way, I know whenever it starts, it will start. I got fuel pump. That's another situation. These are the 7 bolts, 7mm bolts. This is how you take the module off. For those that don't know, the 7mm bolts, millimeter. Pull it off of there. Keep them bolts. And what we gonna change it out with? You know, I ain't gonna be one of the people that will some reason these shoes hook me up. No, I just ordered this shit. I ain't got no connection with these people. Change it out with this here. I had this on here before, but somebody was on some bullshit, messed it up. Clean the surface best you can. Some of the clean stuff. Supposed to be conducting grease or something like that. I don't know. I never actually send it, I put it on. So spread it around. Take a little bit and put it back here. this car, I think everything been on this car for about 6 to 8 years. Okay, this is another day, and I had to stop. Because I ran out of daylight, so I started working. I had some stuff happen. Had to go find some stuff, buy some stuff, but this is the new one. I got it on here now, so I got the new battery in here. So we gonna go ahead and test fire this thing and see what it do. I ain't gonna let it run long, cause of course ain't no water pump on it, so yeah, hold on a second. Okay, let's see what we got. Maybe it's that. Okay, now. Well, that's more than it was doing, so I'm thinking it's doing that because the intake and stuff not on. But I'm gonna try to crank it one more time, and then I'm gonna finish what I'm doing. We gonna put some more stuff together and we'll try it in a minute. I guess that's all it was. All right, that's all I needed to see. All I needed to see. So let me finish buttoning it up, putting the water pump on here, and I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Kind of zoomed in some, but it's been a couple days now since I've fixed this car. Been a few, I just been driving and making sure everything's straight. So I actually killed 2 birds with 1 stone fixing that distributor, because the what you call it, the timing cover was leaking. So we got that fixed. As you can hear her purring like she should, running like she should. And don't worry, I do plan on detailing under that hood. I'll put that in the video later. Another video, not this one, but yeah, I do plan on detailing under the hood of this car. It's just zoomed in too much. Oh, I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all in this video. I gotta do some fine tuning to it. So, I'm not gonna say it's in the final stages, but back there, I got my rear deck in. I just have to show y'all later. It's all over the place right now. I got a trim on the pillars that I had made for it. Also, which this is kind of cool, got me one of these spinning caps from Rucha. Hey, don't do that on video. There you go, do right. Yeah. And of course, when you turn, it basically floats. So, yeah. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because I'm actually gonna start on for a project tomorrow. Got some stuff going for that, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this one edited. Try to put it out by the time y'all see it, I'll probably be